Well, I said I wasn't going to film a video tonight, but I'm working on the tiller. Got the exploded view set up here because there was one part I just could not remember where it goes, but I got it figured out. Let me show you. So this little bracket right there, which this pulley doesn't rest on that, it's just resting there right now. That's part of the belt system for the engine and transmission. But I got the frame rails and slash motor mount set up and bolted down. Got the front wheels attached. I got this bracket reinstalled for the that one thing that's got all the shifter markings on it. And then this bracket is what holds the rear fender and the handlebars that go out this way. I'm going to get that all mounted up tomorrow. This piece goes back here, attaches into that with a slide pin and a cotter key. These are the side pieces for the fenders. I'm wore out. I've been working in the garden all day, and then we got a big thunderstorm, which I love because that's good for the garden. That is the belt guard for the side of the engine. There is the engine. Once I get everything assembled on the tiller, I got to take this outside, remove the fuel cap, dump all of that gas out. That gas, I have no idea how long it's been in there. I'm pretty sure I could varnish a whole barn with it. It's nasty. I gotta clean that tank, clean the carb. Before I pulled it off, I did squirt some starting fluid in, pulled it one time, it fired up real quick, and I just shut it off. Just wanted to make sure it's gonna run. But I'm getting down to where I don't have a whole lot of hardware left. Everything's going together nicely. But anyway, yeah. Thomas Massey lost the Republican nomination in Kentucky. Got a new guy, Ed Garino, I think is his name, which is good. Massey was a frickin' rhino, piece of trash turd. But I pray for him regardless. This thing is going to come in handy whenever I put the handlebars on. So I'm going to attach them to this, to where I can easily set it on there, put the bolts in. I'm not going to put the tills on until I have the fenders and the handlebars bolted in place, because you can't get up in there to put the washer and the bolt on, or the nut on, with the tillers in the way. So I got to do it that way. That was how I had to do it to come apart. But anyway, I'm excited to see what this thing will do. I hope it serves me well after all this work. But today I planted a 50-foot long row of green onions. That was a job. Planted some more potatoes, put 3 more bell pepper plants in the ground. Thank you, Nurse Erica. Went to Rural King. I bought a garden sprayer tank with an electric motor. Thing was trash. I filled it up with water, hooked everything up, hooked it to the battery. As soon as I hooked it to the battery, the motor started going, which is not supposed to do until you squeeze the trigger. But it started going. Then I thought, well, maybe it needs to purge and prime and fill everything up on the hoses. So I pulled the trigger, let it run. After it did fill that up, water started coming out everywhere around where the trigger is. So I just drained it out, packed it up, took it back to Rural King, ended up buying a 100-foot water hose for the garden, and that's how I'm going to keep it watered for now when we have several days without rain. But anyway, enough of my rambling. That's my video for now. I'm going in the house. It's probably about 10 o'clock right now. Y'all take care. God bless. See ya.